Microsoft has updated its official media creation tool, and it now downloads Windows 11 with the latest cumulative update, KB5089549, already integrated. This means that if you create a bootable USB to install Windows 11, your installation media will include the newest security fixes, performance improvements, and bug fixes from the May 2026 Patch Tuesday release. In this video, I'll show you why this update matters and how it makes clean installations much easier. The biggest news is that Microsoft's media creation tool now downloads the latest Windows 11 builds for both version 24H2 and 25H2 with KB5089549 included. For Windows 11 version 25H2, this update brings the operating system to build 26200.8457. This is important because when you use the media creation tool to create a bootable USB, Windows is already updated during installation. You no longer need to install a large cumulative update after setup is complete. This saves time, reduces post-installation updates, and ensures your PC is protected with the latest security patches from the start. Interestingly, the media creation tool version number remains the same at 10.0.261000.7019, but the content it downloads has been updated behind the scenes. Microsoft has also fixed earlier issues that affected the media creation tool after the Windows 11 25H2 release, so the utility should now work more reliably. To get the updated tool, simply visit the official Microsoft Windows 11 download page and select Create Windows 11 Installation Media. If you're planning a clean install or creating a bootable USB, Microsoft's updated media creation tool now gives you the latest Windows 11 KB5089549 update automatically. This makes the installation process faster, more secure, and much more convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 updates and tutorials.